Hello, my name is Marcus Chair, and this is my first YouTube video. I'm going to be doing an unboxing of the Traxx wireless activity tracker. Da -da -da -da. Okay, let's see what I've got. I picked this thing up at, I forgot again. Okay, let's see. I think it may have a charger to charge it. Then it might be worth my money, but it's an $11 machine, and I only paid $5 for it. Okay, I don't know why I snapped that. I'll put it over here for now. Let's see what's in this box. Maybe they made a mistake and put two in there. I'm just kidding. It's probably the charger. Yeah, it was correct. That's unnecessarily cool. Well, I know you don't know me, fans, but please like and subscribe. This is very interesting. Let's see how this thing plugs in. Ooh, this thing's cool. I've never done anything like this. Oh, and you think I'm trying to hide my face, don't you? Well, I guess I'll take these off. Okay, now what is this? Should I connect it up? Okay. I know you don't want me to, but that's besides the point. Cool. Well, let's see if it'll turn on. I don't even know what the instructions are. Did it even come with any? Obviously no. Okay. Mode button. So this tiny little button over here, I hope you can see it, is, well, we're back and we've gotten everything sorted out. It took 3 hours to charge, and we've only got 3% of 4. 4 blocks. It's supposed to be 4, but we got impatient. You would too if it was brand new. Maybe you would, I don't know. But I don't know what to think. It looks very complicated, the app, but it isn't. Not at all. Here's today. As you can see, I have not done anything because we just got off the charger. And here's the main piece. I think it's quality, except for the internal screen's a little crooked. But other than that, I can't find any flaws with it. It's a really nice machine. If you want to get something like this, get this one for this price. But if you have the money, just buy a Series 4 Apple Watch. But we're going to go outside and test it. We'll be back later. Okay, we're back and it's in the evening, as you can tell because of the lighting. And I've used this quite a bit, but I can't see anything wrong with it except the inner screen, the internal screen is crooked. That's about the only thing I could complain about. I haven't found anything else wrong with it. This band, maybe, but nothing else. It's kind of hard to put on, but it's very comfortable. I'd say this is the best $5 I've ever spent. And you can replace the band if you could find another band. But it's still 3 bars. It hasn't gone down 1 bar. So the 4 hours of charging, maybe each bar is 2 hours. Takes an hour to charge, 2 hours to get rid of each bar. So I haven't found anything wrong with it. It automatically, I connected up to the phone and it automatically set the time. So I just haven't found anything wrong with it. And I repeat, buy an Apple Watch if you have the money. But this is the thing you should get if you want something smaller cooler and cute.